But whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night. Psalm chapter 1 verses 2. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's make a very easy and quick Ghanaian fried rice, aka chick chick. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that I've been making my fried rice most of the time with no artificial condiments, and this is one of them. I love this so much. It was easy going, very filling, very delicious, and you might just have all the ingredients in your pantry right now. So let's get around and let's make this together. You will love this a lot. Let's get started. So here are the list of my ingredients. I am going to go ahead and list each and every one below in the description box. Yes, the star of the dish here is my sorghum leaf, aka the wache leaves. It's going to do some wonders. The choice of protein here are some eggs, a little bit of smoked ham. You can also use a sausage. It's also good. Some seasoning, vegetables, and oil, and I'm going to also list each and every one below, so please do well to check it out. The first thing I like to do is to boil my sorghum leaf. I have used this sorghum leaf for about 6 times now, and it still delivers that beautiful color. So anytime you use, please do not discard it. You can use it again and again and again. Okay, I boiled this for about 10 minutes and it released that beautiful color, which is going to give us the beautiful reddish color for our fried rice. So now let's begin by making our rice. So in my pot I added about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and to that I added half size of a medium yellow onion, which is finely chopped. I fry that for about a minute or until it is nice and caramelized. Into that I added 2 cloves of garlic for that beautiful flavor and aroma, and I added my all-purpose seasoning. Use any seasoning of choice and fry these for about a minute and then add your rice. Here I'm using 3 cups of my basmati rice. You can also decide to use jasmine rice. It is very good as well. Stir this gently, fry it for about a minute, and then add the stock you got from your sorghum leaves. Here I added about just 2 cups of it, and it was so good. Make sure you strain it just so that you do not add any particles to your beautiful rice. Okay, it comes with a little tiny bit of particles, so yeah, be aware of this. You know, all that we have to do is now to stir, make sure everything is well incorporated, add a bit of salt to taste, and then cover it and allow this to cook on a low to medium heat for about 25 minutes. The whole secret is this: we want to see that beautiful color that the rice has in our fried rice. That is why we tend to add too many soy sauce, too many Maggi sauce, too many this and that. If you go this way, honestly, you're going to decrease all of that. You know that those are full of MSGs, too much salt, sugar, and all the things that is making us sick lately. So if you choose this way, you're going to enjoy your fried rice more with no guilt at all. Fried rice is good, but it's always depend on how you make it. Stop using the over salty soy sauce and all those chemicals. Is not good. Go natural, go this way, you will love it. So after about 25 minutes my rice is done, and while the rice was cooking I went ahead to also chop and dice all my vegetables and my ham, and all the ingredient that I need to fry my fried rice was being prepared and prepped. As you can see, I am going to crack my eggs. I use 6 eggs in the whole, and I'm going to now season it with a bit of all-purpose seasoning and a little tiny bit of salt. Make sure you beat your egg very well, because this is going to ensure the fluffiness that you want. You want your eggs to be nice and fluffy in your fried rice. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to now begin with my scrambled eggs. You need to always make your scrambled eggs on a very low heat. All right, it is so enjoyable. One thing about me, scrambled eggs will always be my weakness. I had to really gather courage not to enjoy everything before the fried rice. So once I'm done with my scrambled eggs, I'll go ahead and then fry all my ham, or if you choose sausage, fried a little bit here. Just make sure that it gets a little nice caramelized color. And then once you're done, add your onions, fry it for about 2 minutes, and then go in with all your selected vegetables. Use any vegetables that your heart desired. I went in with some green bell peppers, some carrots, some red bell peppers. I'll gently stir everything together and fry it for about 2 minutes, and before you could say jack, all my ingredients is nicely prepped. Just look at that beautiful color. Are you not just loving the colors? Here goes in my cabbage as well, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and a little tiny bit of salt. That is all, family. You don't need anything else. We want to enjoy this very nice and very healthy. No artificial condiment is needed at all. Here you just have to fry this for about 2 minutes, and you make sure that you have a little bit of the crunch from the cabbage left. It is very enjoyable when you are enjoying your rice. It is so good in there. So here I'm going to now add my rice bit by bit, and oh boy, the aromas coming through is just incredible. It is so good, and look how beautiful and singled out the rice came. It is just perfect. This is just the original chick vibes. It is so incredible. No one will ever believe you do not add any condiments to this. So good. I absolutely love it. So here I'm going to add my last but one ingredient, which is my fluffy scrambled eggs. That is absolutely beautiful in there, and it just crowns everything for me. It is absolutely delicious. Just look at that. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It definitely is. Call me Madam Crunch. I always want some crunchiness in my fried rice. So I went in with some spring onions, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes, and we're done with our fried rice. I told you this is quick. It is indeed quick. So now all that we have to do is to just plate it and enjoy this with just your shito or some salad, or enjoy with any other protein like fish, chicken, turkey, what have you, and you're going to enjoy it a lot. Thanks so much, family, for watching. I really enjoyed your time with me. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.